Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you all? I hope you must be fine. Today I will teach you about the alphabet O. يعني اليوم أنا درس O. Okay. Today I will teach you O. So first I will tell you how to write O. We will start from here. O, like this, 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 and like this. Okay, this is O, capital O, and now this is small O, O, capital O, small O. Okay, then I will tell you about the words الحين أنا أقول English أنت تقول Arabic. Okay, orange. orange وش بالعربي؟ أيوة excellent. orange. owl. أيوة very good excellent. owl. لا مو بيضة owl كده شكل بيضة يعني كده شكل بيضة مو بيضة. اوكي owl. octopus. good excellent. okra. أيوة ممتاز very good. ثاني مرة أنا أقول كل كلمات بالإنجليزي. Again I will repeat all the words in Arabic and English. Sorry. orange. owl. owl. octopus. okra. Now I will tell you how to write O in the 4 lines. Okay, so it's very easy. He starts from here. Bismillah. Start from here. This is capital O 1 2 3 line 3 سطور وسمall O 2 سطور. Okay, small O. Okay, capital O, small O. Okay, I hope you understand. Inshallah I will see you in another video. Take a very good care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.